Vladimir Putin is facing a major clash between his army and security forces in southern Ukraine, as tensions over military supplies threaten to explode. The Russian army has been beset by logistical problems that are seriously impacting its ability to equip and supply its frontline troops. Numerous reports have emerged of soldiers being critically short on ammunition, food and basic winter clothing, to name but a few issues. Angry conscripts have posted various videos to social media, where they call upon their president to sort out their logistical nightmare. Now it appears that Putin's military and security forces are embroiled in a vicious dogfight for scarce supplies that is threatening to tear apart Russia's army. The Ukraine Resistance Center said on December 22 that tensions were reaching boiling point over the distribution of supplies. They claimed that FSB, the KGB successor organization, and the Russian National Guard were getting first picks on vital military equipment, including the best vehicles. As a result, the Russian military was only getting its hands on whatever was left over. In a recent bulletin, the URC said, the Russian security forces and the military are at odds in the Kherson area due to insufficient material support. Tension is growing between the occupation security forces, Rosgvardia, FSB, and the military due to insufficient material support. So, the former select the best vehicles that deliver the occupiers to the temporarily occupied territories. At the same time, the military receives provision of needs according to the surplus principle. The situation is worsened by the unspoken ban on the delivery of new vehicles through Crimea, which was introduced by the occupiers. Such a situation lowers the morale of Russians on the left bank of the Kherson region. The desperate plight of Russian soldiers was further highlighted by recent events in the Luhansk region, part of Ukraine's Donbas. A Russian source said that a unit of recently mobilized soldiers ended up in the region without supplies, food, personal belongings, or the means of communication. They added that many of the conscripts had to be taken to hospital to receive treatment for frostbite. The lack of supplies and equipment continues to batter morale among Russia's frontline troops, resulting in more mass desertions, despite claims to the contrary by the Kremlin. Ukraine's military intelligence published an intercepted phone call from a Russian soldier to his girlfriend. During the conversation, the trooper says that units still lack essential equipment and are quitting en masse. He says, "Where is this so-called new equipment, which everyone is talking about?" His girlfriend then asks, "What's happening there?" They wrote in the news yesterday that Ukraine's armed forces won back part of the road between Svatovo and Kremenia. After he confirms the Ukrainian advance, she then raises the subject of desertions. She says, "Tell me, what's going on with the conscripts? They get 3 months training and then run off home?" Her soldier boyfriend replies, "We have a hell of a lot of 500s. Very many." When his girlfriend asks him what he means, he explains, "It refers to those soldiers who throw down their guns. I am not serving anymore. That's what 500 means."
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.